Alright, what the hell is he doing out here in the garage at 6:25 in the morning? Alright, let me show you what I got going on here this morning. And the whole goal is to get a nice, smooth, and balanced sound out of Bob Barker using bass treble equalization, whatever I need to do. So what I did is install those low-pass filters to knock down the upper frequencies of the woofer. Those two guys right there. And I may still use these. There's the woofer right over there on the bench with a little test jig. And what I received yesterday was this Rockville R7EQ, and I got it all set up and testing it out, and it is super clean. And what this thing does is you take the input from your phone or whatever. You can't use this with Bluetooth, but they do make a Bluetooth one of these. Probably should have got it. But with aux input, my source is just a tablet there. Output here goes into the amplifier, which drives the speaker. This thing has a 7-band equalization right over here, going from 50 hertz all the way up to 12 kilohertz. 18 decibels cut or gain on each of these little pan pots. Pretty freaking slick. So I'm not 100% sure. It also has a remote. I also figured this out. It has a remote, so I can just wire that right into my switch. Really slick, but I just got it jumpered right now. It works fine. Drawing about 0.25 amps off this little battery right here. About what, 3 or 4 watts? So the draw is very low. So in a nutshell, I may not even need these low pass filters, but I won't know until I get the whole thing done and built and try to balance the sound out. But there you have it. It's a solid little frickin' unit. God, I wish I would have known about these before. But I just don't have room in my other boxes to mount these guys. But very cool. Very cool.